Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea. They are bustling underwater ecosystems, teeming with life and vibrant colors. Though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs support an estimated 25% of all marine species. These underwater cities provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for a dazzling array of marine creatures. Coral reefs are built by tiny animals called coral polyps. These polyps secrete calcium carbonate, forming the hard, stony structures we associate with coral. Over time, their skeletons build upon one another, creating vast and intricate formations. The health and survival of countless marine species depend on coral reefs. Beyond their ecological significance, coral reefs also provide numerous benefits to humans. They protect coastlines, offer recreation and tourism opportunities, and are a source of food and income for millions worldwide.
Coral reefs are renowned for their breathtaking beauty and vibrant colors. Corals come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and hues, from branching staghorn coral to massive brain coral. The vibrant colors of many corals are due to microscopic algae called zooxanthellae, which live within the tissues of the coral polyps. These algae provide food through photosynthesis in exchange for shelter and nutrients. Different species of coral have adapted to thrive in specific environmental conditions. Some prefer shallow, clear waters with plenty of sunlight, while others are found in deeper, darker waters. Understanding the specific needs of different coral species is crucial for their conservation. Ensuring these underwater gardens continue to thrive for generations to come is essential.
A coral reef is much more than just a collection of corals. It's a bustling metropolis, home to a staggering array of marine life. Schools of brightly colored fish dart among the coral branches, seeking food and shelter. Eels peek out from crevices, while seahorses cling to coral with their prehensile tails. Crustaceans like crabs and lobsters scuttle across the reef floor. Cleaner fish set up cleaning stations, where larger fish come to have parasites removed. Clownfish live in symbiotic relationships with anemones, finding protection within their stinging tentacles. Sharks and other top predators help keep the ecosystem in balance. The intricate tapestry of life on a coral reef is a testament to the power of biodiversity.
Coral reefs around the world are facing an unprecedented crisis. Human activities, coupled with natural threats, are pushing these delicate ecosystems to the brink of collapse. Pollution, overfishing, destructive fishing practices, and climate change are all taking a heavy toll on coral reefs. Pollution from coastal development and industrial activities is degrading water quality. Plastic pollution is also a growing concern, entangling marine life and breaking down into microplastics. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices are decimating fish populations and destroying coral habitats. The cumulative impact of these threats is pushing coral reefs towards a tipping point. Without immediate action, we risk losing these invaluable ecosystems and the countless species that depend on them.
Climate change poses one of the most significant threats to coral reefs. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and more frequent storms are putting immense pressure on these fragile ecosystems. As ocean temperatures rise, corals are increasingly experiencing thermal stress, leading to coral bleaching. Ocean acidification makes it more difficult for corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons. Climate change is also leading to more frequent and intense storms, causing widespread damage to coral reefs. The combined effects of these climate-related threats are pushing coral reefs beyond their ability to adapt. Urgent action is needed to mitigate climate change and reduce its impacts on these vital ecosystems.
Protecting coral reefs requires a multifaceted approach. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, is one of the most effective ways to safeguard these valuable ecosystems. MPAs can help reduce pollution, prevent overfishing, and protect coral habitats from destructive activities. Sustainable fishing practices are essential for maintaining the health of coral reefs. Implementing fishing quotas, gear restrictions, and no-take zones can help prevent overfishing. Reducing our carbon footprint is essential for mitigating the impacts of climate change on coral reefs. Transitioning to renewable energy sources and improving energy efficiency can help lower greenhouse gas emissions. Supporting organizations involved in coral reef conservation and research is crucial.
The fate of coral reefs lies in our hands. Each one of us has a role to play in protecting these underwater treasures for future generations. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can all contribute to the conservation of these vital ecosystems. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of coral reefs is a crucial first step. Supporting sustainable tourism practices is essential when visiting coral reef areas. Making sustainable seafood choices is another important step we can take. The time to act is now. Let us all do our part to protect these underwater wonderlands and ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come.